Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Richard's Primary up against Dupoint Primary, both from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So with the coin toss earlier, we saw Dupoint winning and they decided to have St. Richard's go first. So in section 1, we will ask the teams questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer and they will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge for St. Richard's. How many of each type of animal did Noah place in the ark?
Two.
Correct. Dupoint, what was the symbol of God's promise to Noah not to destroy the earth with a flood again?
A rainbow.
Correct. Science for St. Richard's, what type of lens is a magnifying glass?
Convex.
Correct. Dupoint, what is the name for the bending of light rays?
Refraction.
Correct. Local affairs, it's a visual. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Donna Parchment Brown.
Incorrect. McKibba Bennett Easy, CEO of the PSOJ. Dupoint, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Delroy Chuck.
Incorrect. It's Honorable Oliver Clark, Chairman of the R.J. Arglina Group. We move on to English language. St. Richard's, does the word benign mean threatening, non-threatening, or huge?
Threatening.
Incorrect. It's non-threatening. Dupoint, does the word callous mean cold-hearted, warm-hearted, or creative?
Cold-hearted.
Correct. Theatre, this is a visual. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Nick Jonas.
Incorrect. American actor Anthony Mackie. Dupoint, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jordan Brown.
Incorrect. That's Chris Evans, also an American actor. General knowledge, St. Richard's, which car manufacturer produces the Swift model?
Suzuki.
Correct. General knowledge for Dupoint, which car manufacturer produces the Mirage model?
Toyota.
Incorrect. It's Mitsubishi. Social studies, St. Richard's, which planet has the most moons?
Jupiter.
Correct. Dupoint, exactly how many moons does Jupiter have?
67.
Correct. Music. For St. Richard's, which international artist was born Sean Carter?
Jay-Z.
Correct. Dupoint, which international artist was born Curtis Jackson III?
Shawn Mendes.
Incorrect. That's 50 Cent. Mathematics for St. Richard's. What is the value of 16.84 multiplied by 1,000?
16840.
Correct. Dupoint, what is the value of 21.41 divided by 1,000?
0.02184.
Incorrect. 0.02141. Sports, St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this person. It's a visual.
Kemar Roach.
Incorrect. Dwayne Miller, Reggae Boys footballer. Dupoint, your turn to look at the monitor and identify this person.
Peter Cargill.
Incorrect. It's Corey Burke, another Reggae Boy footballer. We move on to Jamaican affairs. St. Richard's, complete the Jamaican proverb. Tom drunk but
Tell the truth.
Tom no fool is what we're looking for. So that's incorrect. Dupoint, complete the Jamaican proverb. Unfair game play.
Twice.
That's correct. And that is the bell. And at the end of section 1, we have St. Richard's on 6 and Dupoint on 5. So it's time for a break, but before we go, listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. Spend wisely. If you get an allowance from your parents or guardians, figure out a small percentage that you want to put in your savings. You'll be surprised how fast it grows. And when we return, it will be time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.